ko pa alam ang dapat, pero sa bawat tawa mo
Good luck! I-turn over mo na yung ATM.
Ibig sabihin niya na isurrender mo yung sweldo mo sa kanya. Ayan.
At kahit ilan taon pa, tila tayo.
As promised, gagawin natin itong araw na to na pinakamasaya at pinaka-memorable na birthday ng buhay mo.
Ngayon po kung hahanapin pa, ikaw ang sagot sa panalangin. Laging tahimik ang
Let's welcome Engineer Vincent Daryl and Engineer Mickey Lova as the new Mr. and Mrs. Ryan!
kwento natin, buo dalisay at walang kapalit. Hawak ang kamay mo sa altar man o sa kailanman kulay ng puso ko'y di na babalik sa dati. Ngayon ang kulay natin ay puti.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday ulit and happy wedding sa atin. Lagi mo tinatanong kung deserve mo ang mga bagay-bagay. Of course, you deserve it.
Thank you, my love, for standing by my side
And you deserve this gift from me.
through every storm and tide. And today it feels surreal but true.
Magwa 1 year kami sa October pa lang. Pero yung friendship namin, nag-start pa 2010.
To my love, Vincent Daryl, this is my simple wedding gift sa'yo. No, dati, kasi suwat mo din yung ganito na gift mo sa akin, kaya bumili ako ng ibang verse na babagay sa'yo. Isaiah 60, verse 22, ang verse nating dalawa.
The best gift I've ever received is the man who chose to never leave.
May verse kasi doon na Philippians 4:13 na I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. So parang gusto ko magkaroon siya ng confidence from God.
When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Grabe ka, Lord. Ang galing niyo po. Nung binigay niyo siya, talagang right timing na namin.
You taught me what it means to try.
Nung nalalangin ako noon para sa isang babae na makakasama ko habang buhay, hiningi ko sa kanya yung muling maglalapit sa akin sa kanya. Bawat linggo na dinadala mo ako sa simbahan, doon ko mas nare-realize na ikaw nga ang God's answered prayer for me.
Nasa simbahan din tayo nung sinabi ko na gusto na kitang maging parte ng buhay ko. At doon nagsimula ang lahat. Sa'yo ko lang natagpuan ang kapayapaan ng puso.
The best gift I've ever received is the man who chose to never leave. Today's not just my birthday, it's the start of me and you, of building dreams, of holding.
At lahat ngayon, umayon sa tagal nating magkaibigan. Magiging magkaibigan pala at tuluyang magiging mag-asawa. From master to mister.
Thank you, my VD Kings, for waiting, for believing. You never gave up on me.
The best gift I ever received is you, my Engineer Vincent Daryl. Lalo na ngayon ay birthday ko.
The best gift I've ever received is the way you helped me believe that love is worth the wait and worth the fight to make it through. Now we begin, just me and you, No turning back, just dreams come true. I thank the Lord above for giving me you. With all my heart, your light, Lord.
Bigyan nyo kami kagad ng apo. Mas maganda, kambal.
Shoutout kay Vincent. Galingan mo mamaya. Ipakita mo kung sino yung master. From master to mister mo. Congrats!
At halos mawala ng pag-asa noon. At feeling ko, ganun ka din naman. Pero alam mo ba kung bakit andito pa rin tayo ngayon? Dahil yon sa pamilya natin, na hindi sumuko magdasal at maging tulay para sa atin.
Ayun na palang isang VD Kings.
I promise that I will love you until we both grow old. Mas iintindihan pa tayo, magpapasensyahan sa isa't isa at magtutulungan sa anumang problemang haharapin natin sa hirap at ginawa. I love you, your wife, PK Love.
I love you, not just cause you're pretty, but cause your heart is pure and steady in ways, and guide me through my darkest days. You're the reason why I smile again.
At sa'yo, my Loba, thank you so much for being my yellow, meaning my twin flame, my favorite person, my everything. You are the reason for my smiles. You saved me from being alone.
From your VDKs.
I love you and I promise to be your yellow for the rest of our lives. Heart, VD Kings.